Alright, good day, great minds, and welcome to Math Marathon class. So we have this question, still from Inequalities, we've already started. And it says, for what range of value of x is 2x squared minus 11x plus 12 is what? Positive. So let's see. Now the question says, 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. And of course, this expression is positive when it is greater than 0. Right now, we factorize. First of all, we multiply the coefficient of x squared with 12. And when we do, we get to what? 24. So we look for two numbers, which when we multiply gives us 24, and when we add gives us minus 11. And those two numbers are minus 8 and minus 3. If you add these two numbers, you get minus 11, and if you multiply them, you get 24. So here we have 2x squared minus 8x minus 3x plus 12 is greater than what? 0. So we factorize. This is 2x, you get 2x from here, remaining x minus 4, right? And coming to this one, we have minus 3, remaining x minus 4, and all is greater than 0. So we put these two in one bracket. We have 2x minus 3 and x minus 4, all greater than 0. Now, according to the property of inequality that says two opposites are used when a quadratic expression is given, and this is a quadratic expression. And now, the lowest factor is combined with the given inequality, while the highest factor is combined with the opposite inequality. And now, looking at these two, how do we determine which one is the lowest factor? We substitute any number we feel like, and I choose 0. If we substitute 0 to this one, notice that we get minus 3 from here, right? And if we substitute 0 to here, we get minus 4 from here. And minus 3 and minus 4, which one is the smallest? Which one is the smaller? Which one is smaller than the other? Of course, it is minus 4. So this factor goes with the given inequality, while this goes with the opposite inequality. So we have that 2x minus 3, the opposite of this is less than 0, or x minus 4 is greater than 0. So from here, we have that 2x is less than 3. Move this one to the other side. And then x is less than 3 over 2, right? Or x is greater than 4. So the values where this inequality would be positive is at x less than 3 over 2, and at x greater than 4. So any value of x less than 3 over 2, if you substitute it to this equation, it will be positive. And any value greater than 4, if you substitute it to this expression, it will be positive. So thank you for watching. Try to subscribe to our channel.